There's some people crossing by, so.
You're not broken down, are
No,
you?
no, I'm not. 5-speed update. Here we are. I like choosing very busy streets to record on. This one had a nice backdrop, so it's here. We're doing it. I don't have a tripod, so hopefully it's in frame. I'll take a picture, but it is literally mounted on some rocks. My nicest camera is like, if it tumbles over, we won't think about that. Anyway, but yeah, 5-speed update. It's been a minute. I think it's been like a few months maybe. Things been busy, but keep it going. Hopefully you guys follow us on Instagram, 5-speed cycles. Check out our website, 5speedcycles.com. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, what we've been up to, just kind of trying to keep it going. We've dropped some merch. I don't know if you guys saw. Most of it is sold out, but there's still some things available. Got some new stickers. But yeah, just want to say thank you guys for following along and, you know, keeping track of us in any way. I'm recording this on Thanksgiving Day. It's about like 11 a.m. right now, I think. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a huge thanks. I appreciate it. All right. Yeah, I'm here at Crystal Springs Reservoir. Very pretty. Bike's been good. Me and Elijah kind of been dialing it here and there, fixing little things. My throttle was sticky. I had a brake line that was leaking. I kind of cleaned up my bars. I internally wired the starter button. I internally wired the brake light button, trying to keep it as minimal as possible. I don't know if I ever show this, but I made these little floorboards that I pieced together from eBay. I think it cost me like $70 to make it. Yeah, me and Elijah changed the neck bearings because I had a little play in the front end that I could feel.
Can't be stuck if it's liquid.
The bearing was bad. I get a lot of questions about like the suspension setup. Me and Elijah run the same setup. So essentially 4 over in the front, 14, 15 in the back, and 14 shocks. But we run the RP fender struts, and that gives you like the extra mounting point, so you could make it, I think, an inch taller. And the way that I have my front end setup is I have 2 over tubes with damper rods. The damper rods I got from Till Death Cycles. I'll put their link also in the description. So yeah, run them stiff. That's what I do at least. And it feels good, no wobbles. I had a wobble in my Dyna for a while, and it partly was because of that. And actually, we're also doing our first group ride. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I've never led a group ride. I always just kind of ride with like by myself or with Elijah or maybe another person. Like, so we'll see how it goes. And there's a chance that nobody shows up, and there's a chance that like 30 people show up. I have no clue. Yeah, if you guys want to try to make it to that, it's December 14. Honestly, just follow us on Instagram. It's all there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Continue along with the video. See you guys.
Hello. I think
We're professionals.
if you guys are wondering what we're doing,
Mind your fucking business.
mind your fucking business. I got my truck jack here because I really don't feel like getting my bike jack out from underneath the other one. And if this shit can lift a Tacoma, it can for sure lift an FXR.
Yep. Here we are. We're so back. What have we been doing? Not much. Ooh. Something moves.
That's up.
What up? We're here in beautiful BART parking lot. Just taking it for a test ride, make sure everything's good. And everything's good. But yeah, figured out the wobble in my front end. The neck bearings are just shot. Don't know if I recorded enough of that.
Can't be stuck if it's liquid.
because you know, oil in your hands and grime and shit. But yeah, it's riding good.
We cut your heat shield down.
Oh yeah, I had to cut that
So it doesn't interfere.
my rear brake was getting stuck. Don't even get me started there. Kind of sketch, but yeah, updates. Pretty much the main update is the red FXR.
I was tired of the whole fucking thing leaking, and I was tired of my wiring, so I redid the whole thing. I took it down to the frame and put it back together for the millionth time. Quang made me an oil pan up north. He sent me that. So this is a dummy, I don't know. Put a voltage meter in here because fancy, and then I could stash
Drugs.
yeah, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Yeah, what else did I do to this thing? I rewired it.
I'm gonna add a picture of every rendition of this bike since you got it to where it is now.
From beginning to
Yeah.
end, yeah. I don't know, and it'll probably change more, you know?
Yep.
This is a 92 FXR, just a regular Super Glide. I got this 91 paint in Ventura like hella years ago. Yeah, so 03 or 02 or fucking, I don't remember. But yeah, new motor.
Twin cam.
Bagger trans case. Jim 6-speed, 95-inch twin cam. Fueling goodies in the cam chest, whatever.
What's your compression ratio? What's your push rod?
Piece of shit, dude. It fucking, it rips, I guess.
Yeah, it's fast. Compression is
It's faster than
420
I
by
need, you know, fucking my slow ass.
420 by 69 is the compression.
Yeah. Did my gauges. I went taller on my risers. Like, here's my bar setup. People ask me about this shit all the time.
Take a look. So from right to left, this is
7/8 throttle housing, 7/8 bars,
Brembo master cylinder.
10-inch risers. I could tell you what those
Oh
are,
my
but I
God.
don't want to tell you because I don't want to see those everywhere. Oh yeah, AutoZone,
AutoZone special.
drag specialty,
AutoZone sponsor us. We buy
Fucking-
so much stuff from AutoZone.
cycle swap. Shout out to the NorCal cycle
yeah.
swap.
Extra 10 horsepower.
Yeah. Speed Merchant trees.
Yeah.
I always forget that those are there.
Yeah.
Is it in neutral?
Yep, I hope so. Did you match?
Huh? Yeah. Told you, dog, you need to go taller, huh?
Why did you let me ride your bike? Fucking hate my bike now. Piece of shit.
It out.
I dropped my bike. Check it out.
Did you?
Stuff right here. I was washing it.
Damn.
Straight up Looney Tunes. I went to pick up the bike like this, and as I did, this grip came out, and the bike fell that way, and I scratched my crash bar and my grip, but everything else is fine.
Dude, the one dude in the comments is gonna be like, oh my god, this guy put on fucking grips with no grip glue.
Yeah. As long as you like and subscribe, you can say whatever you want.
Yeah, dude.
All right, let's go eat.
Yeah, I'm fucking hungry.
Yeah.